Hey guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay. I didn't think I was making this video this quickly, but I'm going to have to make it. I've already made a list of 8 reasons why you should not buy this phone, because this phone definitely isn't for everyone. So I'm going to start with the first one on the list here is the battery life. Now this battery life is not for a person who wants to go all day without charging their phone. If you like sitting on the charger and you like staying locked into the wall or next to your desk at work, and you just don't want to walk around freely with not having to charge your phone, you probably want to send this back if you bought it. I just don't think it's a good phone for you, because I apparently can go 2 days with this phone with no problems, and it works just fine. My battery life was, I think, almost 7 hours or something like that, with a little bit of battery left. So for those people out there that don't want to have good battery life on this new form factor, or this what probably should have been a long time ago, you might want to move on to something else. Now, the next thing that I have on the list is the screen sizes. So you get 2, well, almost 3 possibly, because you get this front screen right here, and then you can open it up, and then you have this gorgeous screen right here that you can put 2 or 3 different apps on. I think that's pretty cool. So if you're a person who doesn't like options, and you just want to be limited on what you can do, I think you probably should get a different phone. This one is not going to be for you. If you don't like to multitask and comfortably multitask, you might want to skip this phone. Don't even bother. Just send it back. Just send it back so somebody else can get it refurbished at a big discount, or just sell it. I'll buy it from you, because these are backordered like crazy. So the next thing is the size of the phone. Just how thin it is in this hardware. This is crazy. Why would you want something like this? You wouldn't. So send it back. This is for people who want to keep up with innovation and always be on top of their game with a nice compact phone if they want to, or open it up into a big tablet like this, and just be able to keep it closed as well and still have a very thin phone. This is for those people. So if you don't like options, you want to carry around something different, this like everybody else is carrying around, you probably should go do that. You probably shouldn't get this phone. If you have it, please return it right now. Don't keep it. Return it so somebody else can get it for refurbished at a good price. Next thing is the cameras. So if you don't like cameras on a foldable phone that are actually really good, can shoot 8K, 4K 60, portrait video, if you don't like that, you probably don't want to get this. If you just have to have a telephoto lens, don't get this one, because the digital zoom on this is actually really good, but you need to have a telephoto lens. So you stay over there. If you bought this phone, go ahead and return it, and let someone else get it refurbished at a good price later on down the line, or just sell it. Sell it to me, and I'll take it. Because these cameras are actually really good, and it's for people who want really good photos and video. So just return yours. Just get rid of yours. 8 reasons. The next thing is the design itself. This is a phone for people who want a really good, solid design phone, something that's new, that's innovative, that can give a person lots of options, that's just built so beautiful that you wouldn't even think it was a phone. Like, if you look at this, you wouldn't think it was a cell phone. You would think it was something completely different. But this phone is for people who love new designs and just something that's different and eclectic. It's been around, but hasn't been around. But if you bought this, go ahead and return it so somebody else can get it at a good refurbished price later on down the line, or sell it to me. The next one on the list is the speakers. This phone has 2 speakers on it. There's one on each side of the screen, so the speakers are actually on only this side of the phone right here. So you don't want that. You want speakers that are like right in the center, or over on this side, which, or you want one that's here and here and here and here. I don't know, but I think the speakers sound extraordinary.
Twin scroll spinning, the future is winning. Jwilliams behind the wheel, no beginning and no ending. Precision in the timing, eco boost climbing. 2026, see the silver lining.
And I think that if you're that person who doesn't want extraordinary speakers, I think you know what I'm going to say you should do. You can type it in the comments. Return it so someone else can get a good deal on it refurbished later on, or sell it to me. Next thing is the color options. Now this phone only comes in 4 color options. So unfortunately for some of us, we knew to choose the right color, pistachio. However, you might not like pistachio, but I can guarantee you in person, this phone looks amazing in pistachio. In fact, it looks amazing on every color, pretty much from what I've seen in person, and some over video. So, you know, if you're a person who doesn't like options on a premium folding device, you should just return it and let someone else get it on a refurbished deal later on down the line. So the last thing I want to talk about is decks. Now, if you're a person who doesn't like decks, you don't want to get this phone because it has decks. Decks is an option where you can plug the phone into Type-C, plug it up to a monitor, and pretty much use your phone as a computer. This isn't something new that Samsung has offered, but it seems that no one's talking about decks, and this phone clearly has decks. And so a lot of people say it doesn't have flex mode, but you forgot about DeX mode. You did. So you know what I'm going to tell you? You should go ahead and return it and let someone else get it on a good refurbished deal later on down the line. Or you can sell it to me. It's your man Jay. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This phone is one of the most amazing phones that have hit the market, and I think so many people are going to be in awe of it once you get yours. I would tell you this video is fun. Obviously, this phone obviously will not be returned by me, but there are going to be some people out there that will make videos as to why they're returning their phone, why I'm returning my phone. And you know what? They're perfectly fine to do so. This phone isn't for everybody. I'm not the type of person that reviews phones as a real content creator and tries to force it on you. In fact, I would tell you, don't do what I do what I say, which is always get phones that are very affordable. This one is not. And that is a true statement about this phone why a person would not want to buy it. It is very expensive. I have the 512 gig version here. And we also have a white 1 terabyte incoming this next week. So these phones are ridiculously priced, but I get a nice discount. I had a trade-in, and even still, I had to pay just a little over $800. So a true statement in this video for sure is that this phone is definitely not worth $2,300. So don't do it, folks. Do as I say, not as I do. And with that, I hope you guys are enjoying your Z Fold 8, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.